We're here in the West End. You can see the Pacific Ocean right behind me. You can't get any closer to the water. I'm super excited to show you what just over $2.7 million gets you in a luxury apartment here in Vancouver's West End. Welcome to 1801 1311 Beach Avenue. This building is so unique. It is the Tudor Manor, and what's really cool actually is that this tower section of this property is built into an existing building from 1928, and you can see the nice architecture out front of the Tudor style. But what is bringing you so much value here on this property is not the $300,000 upgrade where they completely renovated this apartment from the studs outward. It's this view all the way to the Gulf Islands, West Vancouver. You have the Pacific Ocean. You can see Granville Island, the Burrard Bridge, and with Sunset Beach just as your neighbor out front, you have completely unobstructed views that are going to be safe for you forever. Having something that is this close to the water is very, very rare, and I'm excited for you to check this out. This unit comes in at just under 1,700 square foot. It's a 2-bedroom plus a den with 3 bedrooms, and this is a southeastern exposure corner unit. You can see here there's a nice yacht just going behind or underneath the Burrard Street Bridge right now, so you can see a lot of activity with the view here. It's not just a stagnant view. You get the ocean views, the city views, the motion of the water. And what I really like about this renovation, and I was here when they started the project, they gutted this down to the studs. And what you're going to notice here is not just the elegance and the luxury, but there's going to be a lot of texture here, a lot of millwork. So you have a nice brand new gas fireplace insert here and this really nice ceramic tile that gives you some depth and some consistency across. You have the nice white oak flooring that goes all the way through the unit. As we get into the kitchen here, the symmetry here is absolutely beautiful based around the undermount sink. Here you may think there's 2 refrigerators. Actually, this is just built in here for more storage like a pantry. All the cabinetry here, soft close, really nice access. So with a unit, especially when you're in an apartment, storage is at a premium. So they've really thought of everything with these build outs, and they made sure with the cabinetry here that it's all built out, it's functional, and it looks nice. Fisher & Paykel appliances. You have the nice cooktop here with a downdraft. As we continue on here, you can see with this custom millwork on the cabinets themselves, more texture and giving a lot more depth and eye appeal when you come here into the unit, as this is your focal place. So as you're coming in here to entertain with your friends, not only when you prep your food, you can take in the ocean, you can take in all the space, the nice light because of the southern exposure. So very, very bright, lots of natural light here. And then as we get into here as well, like I mentioned, a nice Fisher & Paykel built-in cabinetry into the refrigerator, and a really nice touch for all you wine lovers over here. This rack holds 32 bottles, and again, there's another nice art piece here that you can really fill up this space. As we move over to the main living area, they have this nice pendant light here, so you can put this as your formal dining area. And again, no matter where you are on this open space, because you have the corner unit, you have lots of floor to ceiling windows, there isn't a bad view in this entire space here. And this is the den. So if you're looking for an office, if you're looking for perhaps maybe you want to put a Murphy bed in here for a guest, it does give you some of those options. And they did a nice touch here, continuing the white oak here onto the wall. And like I said, they've really thought of everything when it comes to making this place as luxurious as possible, and making sure that when you come here, your guests are impressed, your friends are impressed, and your family is impressed. And as we continue on with the details, these are custom metal doors. They hold together by magnets. So if you're making this into your office space, when you're closing this up, you do have this nice boardroom feel. You can get the light inside there so it's not super dark. So you have more than enough space to close those big deals in your office. What's really cool about these older units that are a lot larger, and a lot of problems that people have when they're looking at condos, is that now a lot of these condos are really, really small and you don't have these nice size dynamics. And sometimes when you have these older condo units, they have these unique features. So here is one of the entrances. So out here, this is where you come in from the hallway into your unit, but there's actually a secondary mud room where you can have access. So In your main entry here, they've done the nice millwork again that ties in with the kitchen cabinetry. You have the push open for your shoes and a nice shoe bench for your guests and yourself to take this in. And right around the corner is where you'll find the powder room. And this is really luxurious. You got the nice navy blue, the gold wall-mounted faucet, and the vanity there is a one-piece $4,000 vanity. So a really signature piece here that will really wow your guests. And as we make it here to the actual mudroom, and what I like about this feature here is that if you have a dog, if you have kids, or anything along those lines, you can actually just pop open this door. It's in the same hallway. And you can throw your dirty laundry right into the washer and dryer. So it's really unique that an apartment will have its own mudroom. Again, you have a copious amount of nice storage. They kept with the blue and gold features, just like the powder room. And whether you're doing your laundry, you have a nice hanging rack here. And then you have your nice Stacker LG washer and dryer. Other than the main living space and the kitchen area, this is my favorite part of the residence, and this is your primary suite. And I'm sounding like a broken record here, but you're gonna see the texture and the millwork. Here, these black acoustic panels are made to muffle some of the sounds, and then they've done a really nice job with the symmetry like the kitchen, with the mirror, the other acoustic panel here to fit your king-size bed nicely. This master suite has an actual spa-inspired bathroom, not the typical spa-inspired bathroom that you hear in pretty much every listing description, but you have the freestanding tub that's based around nice river rock. You have the nice stonework ledge around it, and then you get to take in the Pacific Ocean Sunset Beach. And then as you make your way here to the double vanity, again, you have this nice paneling here with the texture and nice features like this. If you have an electric toothbrush, a shaver, you can charge all your appliances, hide away the plugs so that it is nice and hidden. You have a freestanding shower here where the water faucet is built right into the ceiling itself. Super seamless, and you have the frosted glass here where you can get into use for your toilet. As you make your way down here into the walk-in closet, all custom millwork here. You have the nice tile that comes all the way from the bathroom into your walk-in closet, and then more than enough storage for all your clothing needs here. So a really hotel spa inspired inspiration was the design here, and I really like how they tied everything together, especially with that freestanding tub where you can really take in the views of the Burrard Street Bridge, the ocean, and just relax in your own haven. Finally, we're gonna get into the second bedroom here, and we'll head into the closets first. So you have these nice textured doors, and again, the theme of using as much space, being efficient as possible. You have these nice build-ins to make sure that all your guests or your child, whoever wants to stay here, can store all of their items. You also have another full ensuite where you have the full walk-in shower. Everything is nice and seamless. And then here, what is nice, you have a big window. So even your guests or whoever is taking part in the secondary bedroom here, you still get the water view. So no matter where you are, other than the mudroom, you are getting a piece of downtown views, and you're getting a piece of those water views. The whole reason why you're willing to spend this type of money is so that you have direct access to right here and these ocean views. The building is right here where it's Sunset Park. So not only do you have these water views from the inside of your unit, within less than 1 minute, you're right here on the seawall. You can walk to Granville Island. You can hit Bart on the beach over there in the summer. And then you can walk this all year round. My name is Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome home.